Hello Philippines! Andito na naman kami sa park. May tips ako sa inyo, very effective. Good morning Philippines! Good morning Rashidea, Dubai, all kabayan. Itong tips ko sa inyo. Alam nyo, napaka-effective. Early in the morning, ito yung almusal nyo, saging hanggang 4 na saging. Tsaka warm water. Very effective kasi tinatry ko, 3 days nga lang nagbawas ako ng timbang. Sure na jud. Ito nakuha ko kay Dr. Willie Ong. Tsaka, itong bawang guys, 3 globes daw. 3 globes, pangpababa ng high blood. Nakuha ko to kay Dr. Atoy. Dr. Atoy. Shout out Dr. Willie Ong and Dr. Atoy. And shout out Rafi Tulfo in action. I'm a followers. So, saka yung guys, loya. Pangpabahaba ng high blood. So, yung mga yung mga high blood dyan, so na kayo ng wala namang mawawala sa inyo kung susundin nyo to. Di ba? So, guys, yung mga dyan, gustong mag-diet, gustong magbawas ng timbang, very effective. 3 days lang ginagawa ko, nagbawas ako ng timbang. So, ito yung almusal nyo. Wala kayong ibang kakainin. Saging lang hanggang 4, sabi ni Dr. Willie Ong. Tapos, warm water, okay? So, thank you for watching. Hello, Philippines! Shout out, Lailing. Where are you, Lailing? Shout out sa mga kasamaan ko dyan sa Orama Super Center. Mamaya ko na i-mention kasi marami, may lista ko dito. Shout out, yun nga, Dr. Willie Ong, malaking tulong sa pag-diet, saka si Dr. Atoy sa high blood. Saka kay Rafi Tulfo in action sa mga mga sumbungan aksyon, nanonood din ako. Okay? Okay, then exercise tayo. Sino yan? Hello, Jocelyn Quinta. Hi. Thank you for watching. I-sounds mo na mag-exercise muna kunti tayo. Tapos kanina nag-exercise na ako para kunti lang yung video makuha. Last na to na exercise. Okay guys, kung sino yung gustong magbawas ng timbang, so sundin nyo konting exercise. Okay? Okay, exercise. Yung 1980s. Exercise muna tayo, kunti lang to kasi nag-exercise na ako kanina eh. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga diet tips sa pagbawas ng blood pressure, high blood.
I feel our love is only a smile away, getting so much closer to me every day. With or without, it's easy for us, without a doubt. As we spend our days searching for ways, love is all we know, so is radio. How will we ever believe you, radio? Now that we've learned to deceive you, how will we ever believe you, radio? Now that we've learned to deceive you. About the day when one of us might fall weak and blindly into another's arms. Demands of gain from jealousies would flow like water, drowning us but leaving us with just another lover's false alarm. And now it's over. But I feel colder. Thousand tortured lives have fallen, wounded, dying, cut down by the questions that we sharpen just to save our losing days. We thought with nothing more to lose, we tear our hearts with jagged truths, and everything we clung to for so long just slipped away. And now it's over, both of us three, and I feel colder. I was tired of thinking that our love could shine. Your thoughts of our arrangements were really not like mine. I thought it over, and it was plain to see the love you said you once needed could just not come from me. And now it's over, both of us two. feel colder. And now we're moving to new beginnings. But as we move, we look once behind to see what we might find. Our last loves and our thoughts of our nights are winning. That lust and glass, that last one thing mine.
Okay, push up 50 times. Kita ba? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Ah. Okay, biking 80 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I see them marching off to war. They're looking so heroic.
60.
So they won't be gone for long. But that's a line they know it's 10,000 gone, they won't return.
80.
Never to be seen again. Strategic games are all we learn. In the end, what they say.
100.
They're out there fighting for the state of the nation. Waiting for the chance to come. They always have to fight the alienation. And realize what goes in my life. When nightmare memories fade to dust, we'll get back on our feet again. This
Okay, push up. Pakayanin ko 50 times i-try.
somehow
Kasi yung biking 80 times yun eh. 80 tapos nakayanan ko 100 times. Okay.
they're out there fighting for the state of the nation.
1,
Don't you worry about the
10,
situation.
10, 20,
We'll always have to fight the alienation.
30, 40,
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
50,
There's no place I don't want to be anywhere else.
60. My God. 60 times, guys. Nakuha ko push up 60 times. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bigyan ko kayo ng kanta. Okay. Having you near me. Hello, Janji Mia Montijo. Thank you for watching. Sino ba dyan? Sino bang nag-watching dyan? Hello, guys. I'm tired, guys. Shout out sa mga ano ko dyan, Pausanos family ni Riyadh. Pausanos family in Bara Magbalang, Cagayan del City. Rosel Mandamiento, Cheryl Villacorti, Cherry Gamay, and sa lahat ng staff ng Orama Support Center, Cheryl Salo, Hazel Sina, sino pa ba? Mamaya, ano ko, isulat ko kasi marami silang nag-like sa Facebook. Thank you for like sa Facebook ko. Watch out, shout out Jocelyn Pinka. She's watching. Shout out Philippines, shout out Cagayan de Oro City, especially Bara Macabalang, Cagayan de Oro City. Shout out sa Kapital Barangay Captain John Nobel sa keep up the good work. Shout out Angeli Mangayangaan and Bilibet Robinson in Canada. Shout out Jubita Camargo and Mimi, sino pa ba? Jose Pausanos family and many more. Having you near me. Bakit hindi maano love? Hindi wala ba yung malaking letra? Hello, shout out Philippines. Shout out Geraldine Ramos. Wag mo munang wag mo munang ako na mag-post. Shout out Bernas family in New Baisia. Shout out Apple. Shout out Flory. Sino ba ba, lab? Lab, dito ka, lab. Hello, Jocelyn Cuenca de Zer. Yun nga, guys, yung tips ko, yung breakfast nyo, banana lang, tsaka warm water. Tsaka sa tanghali, tsaka yung last nyo na kain, alas 8 lang ng gabi. Sabi ko, huwag mo munang i-on nga. Hello, Mike Tess. Sabing yun may pwede pagkilakas konti. Hello, Mike Tess. Hello, Mike Tess. Testing 1, 2, 3, having you near me. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you understand it's not a role I just wanna play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. Past is over and gone. Give me your trouble mind, you know it's use. I can do so much for you. I want you, holding you near me, holding you near me. want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. You break to say that you get lost in love, but you open your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep our love could it be. Tonight we'll touch until it's gone to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not through. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. Thank you for watching. Love you all, stay safe. Ano ito palit? Palit ba kasi nahanap ako ng bakit hindi siya na-klaro na ba? Ayun! Punta tayo sa asa ba palakas lab? Ha? Bakit kaya? Ang hina-hina. Bakit kaya pag ako ang ano? Time is ticking and there's nothing I can do. My heart is aching and my love is all for you. Isn't the right situation. Fight your mind. When my heart is broken, I could find my way. Da-da-da-da-da. And they walk in mine.
My love all for you. By the time, chasing you right.